There's a moment, maybe you've had it, where you look at your animal and feel something you can't quite name. It's not just the wag of a tail or the rhythm of a purr. It's something older, something deeper, like an ancient recognition that hums between your heart and theirs. What if that feeling wasn't just emotion? What if it was a memory resurfacing from a time before your physical life began? In the high vibrational space of the Akashic Records, what many call the Book of Life, every soul's journey is documented. Every promise made and every friend we vowed to meet is written there in light. Within those records, your pet is far more than just a domestic companion. They are what we call service souls. They didn't arrive in your life by accident. You had an agreement, a sacred pre-birth contract signed in the stars. They promised to find you, to guide you, and to stay by your side until your spiritual lesson was complete. You aren't just their owner. You are their soul partner. But we have to be honest with ourselves. The journey isn't always filled with quiet moments and easy days. Sometimes our pets challenge us. They push our buttons in ways no human can. They show us our own impatience, our hidden fears, and our deepest anxieties. In the metaphysics of the soul, your pet is the perfect energy sponge. They attune to your heart frequency so deeply that they often mirror the parts of yourself you try to hide from the world. The pets that we call difficult, the ones who are stubborn, anxious, or reactive, they are often our most profound spiritual teachers. If your dog struggles with intense separation anxiety, perhaps they are mirroring your own subconscious fear of abandonment. In the Akashic framework, their behavior is an invitation for you to look inward. If this resonates with you, please consider subscribing. We explore these soul connections every week, and I'd love to have you on this journey with us. The hardest part of any soul contract, of course, is the moment it transitions, the goodbye. But from the perspective of the records, death is not an ending. It is simply a change of frequency. When a pet leaves their physical body, they do not leave your side. Their soul stays woven into your energy field, but their role shifts from a physical partner to a guardian soul. Have you ever felt a familiar weight at the foot of your bed in the middle of the night? That is them, letting you know the bond is still active. And for many, the journey doesn't stop there. Because the love is so strong, some souls choose to return to the physical plane. They find their way back to us because the invisible thread of a soul contract is stronger than time and deeper than death itself. Your animal is in the records. So are you. Together, in this life and every life to come.